Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge with Dr. Kaushal. Today we are going to learn how we can draw assembly in Solidworks. So we have an example in front of us which is the flange coupling, and flange coupling assembly consists of three parts. First one is the flange, second one is the bolt, and third one is this nut. So first of all we will make each part individually, then we will assemble all the parts. Now we are going to start with the open the part. Now we will select the front plane, go to normal, then we will select the sketch command. So first of all we will draw a circle which is having the dimension by 220 mm. Then we will go to the feature and click on the extruded boss and give it thickness of 22 mm. Click OK. Our this part is ready. Now we will select this portion, go to normal, again we will select sketch, circle, we will select a circle having smart dimension 120 mm, then go to extruded boss and give it the length 120, click OK. Then again we will select this part, go to normal, go to sketch, go to circle, again we will draw this circle, go to feature, extruded cut, then we will select through all and we will click on this. So we can see the half part of the flange is complete. Now we will draw or we will select this portion. So now sketch, we will draw a circle here, give it the smart dimensions 20 mm, 85 mm. Now go to feature, extruded cut, through all and select. Now next thing is go to circular pattern and we have to draw 6 circle at equal spacing. So just select the plane and click OK. So now we have this flange coupling, and there is one more thing. Click on the fillet, give 3 mm fillet to this portion. Now click OK. So our this part is ready. Now select the part and go to the appearance, select the metal. So we will select the polystyrene, click on this and our part is ready. Now save file, save as. Now part 1, that is flange. Save it. Now our first part is complete. Now we will make the bolt. So select the new part, select the top plane, go to sketch, go to normal to sketch, now select this line and make it vertical. Now select the smart dimension 28 mm. Now go to feature, extruded boss and give it the dimension 12 thickness. Click OK. Now select this portion and normal to go to sketch, draw a circle here, select this portion and click on tangent. Now the next thing is again go to feature, go to extruded cut, then click on the flip side to cut, then give angle 60° and click OK. Now select the bottom part, click here, again draw a circle. This circle is having diameter 20 then extrude this circle up to 75 length. Click here, now go to sketch, select the plane, front plane. Now draw a line here, take the smart dimension and it is 40 gap. Click OK, then go to feature, curves, split line, select this plane, click OK. So you have this part. Now again go to chamfer, give 1 to chamfer, click OK. Now go to part, go to appearance, select metal, select brass, brush brass. OK. Now select this portion, again go to appearance, go to miscellaneous, select pattern, go to screw thread. So our bolt is ready now. Select OK. Now again select the top plane, go to sketch, again go to hexagon, draw a hexagon here, select this and make it vertical, go to smart dimension 28 now go to feature, extruded boss, again this thickness is 12 click here. Now select this portion, normal to, and sketch, go to circle, make tangent, again go to feature, extruded cut, flips to side, angle 60°, then select. Now go to boss extruded, edit it and take the plane mid plane. OK. Now cut extruded, this portion, mirror it, select the plane, top plane and click OK. So this portion is ready. Now the next thing is click here, go to sketch, draw a circle, give it dimension 20 mm and make extrude cut through all. So this portion is ready. So again go to part 3, go to appearance, go to metal and select again brush brass. Now select this portion, go to miscellaneous, go to pattern and select screw thread. So this portion is again ready. Now save as part 3 bolt. Now we need to assemble these 3 parts. So again click new, go to assembly, click OK. So these part 1 flange, part 2, part 3, the third part is our nut. We have to change the name. Part 3 was nut, not bolt. So firstly we will select the flange, first flange. Again we will select one more flange. Now this is the position of our flange. Now we will make the different parts of flange. We need to make these 2 portions, first one this and this one. So select this portion and this portion and go to mate, click OK. Then we will select this portion and this portion and change the direction. Now the third thing is we have to mate this hole with this hole, mate, and click here. So this first assembly is ready. Now click OK. Now insert component, we will insert the bolt here. This surface with this surface and mate it. We need to select this one and this one. So you can see here. Now the second thing is we need to mate this one with the inside surface. Okay, this portion is complete. Click OK. Now again insert the third part, that is nut. Now click this portion and this portion and mate it. Now we have to select this surface and this surface. So one nut bolt arrangement is complete. Click OK. Now go to linear circular pattern, select this bolt, this bolt, and we have to make 6 nut bolt arrangement here. Select the component, select. So in this way our assembly of flange coupling is complete. So very simple procedure we have followed for making this assembly, and we have chosen this assembly because it is very simple, and you can use the similar dimensions because these dimensions are calculated according to the design book and all the formulas are given, and you can choose the similar kind of dimensions and have a practice on this flange coupling. Hope you like this video. If you have any query about the different commands of this assembly, you can just type in the message box, and thank you very much for watching this video.